In this video, we try some 2.2 inch wheels and tyres on a TRX-4. The GoPro gets it, and Pat causes an accident. And the GoPro gets it again. Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Oh! The old, do you see which one stays on the longest?
Oh, you're this guy again, when?
Oh, yeah, it doesn't. Oh! Yeah, that's not going to last long, is it? Should we have a little game? You have to try and knock the other one off the other one.
Oh, yours is going to have only got a little bit of tape on mine.
Yeah, I've only got eBay tape, you've got Gorilla.
Yeah, but I'm just not even back all the way round.
Oh! Oh, that's the easiest way that TRX-4's getting up there, Pat. Uh oh. Oh! Oh no!
Oh, you got to get up there, mate. That hill is slippy.
Oh no! Rescue me, Pat.
Oh, mate.
Get Maxine up there and come in for the rescue.
You're fucking good get Maxine in there and pull you out.
Ah, you will. Come on, Maxine.
Got bomb busting in that horse?
You just want to see me go up there and fall over, didn't you?
Yeah, let me get my camera set up first.
Check it out, Ian's got a new one. TRX-4 with a Dodge Ram. It's looking too shiny.
Okay, you've got to go get Max first, mate.
Alright lad, I'm going. Ah!
Coming down the way, bro.
Backflip on the Badlands coming up. Oh! How did it land? Rocks are quite slippery here today. Uh-oh. No. Oh, we made it, we made it. We made it. Ah, see, it's harder than you think. Uh-oh. He's got a bumper sticking out, so that's sort of kind of helping it not fall backwards. Uh-oh. Oh no, on the GoPro. Oh no, the GoPro gets it again. Challenge, Pat. Oh, I don't think it's going to fit through there. I just said it as a challenge, but I think it's just physically too tight. I don't reckon there's no way that's going to fit through there. Nah, not happening.
Why'd you have to fly my ears? Don't fucking face.
Oh, look at that, straight over. Oh no! Obstacle wise is pretty good on these tyres, but it just gets hung up, it just rolls over too easy. Still quick on 3S though.
They sell all bearings, and I come to get my pretty good because the cheapest one, the cheapest online, is £26 plus postage.
Oh no, where's it going? Oh my god, how many rolls was that? Oh! That must have rolled over like 100 times. Oh! Yes, wheels. Hey! Oh no! Hey! Oh no! Sounds nasty, doesn't it? And portal axles giving all that diff clearance. Look at that.
Oh, f***'s sake, Kev. F***'s sake, Kev, leave the man alone.
Ah. Can it do a tree backflip in low range? Because high range is broken. Oh my god! Yeah, probably would. Oh! Yes, landed. There you go.
The toaster bag slow cooker.
Come on, you can do it. Oh, I would be able to do it if the servo wouldn't be dead again.